Are you in need of media service such as live streaming, photography, video production, graphic design works like logos, flyers, brochures? Heritage Media got you covered. Contact us on 0246 501946 or 0207 013485. Heritage Media, the home of transformation.
Hello guys, welcome to Heritage Media, your home of transformation. It's all about our journey to be a graphic designer. Today we start our lessons, and our topic for this week is Introduction to Graphic Design and how to get its tools for free. Remember, the materials you will need is a PC or a laptop that has Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 installed already. Before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe and smash the like button. And if you're already a visitor, thanks for standing by. So let's get started. So we want to download our tool. The tool that we are going to use for the graphic design is called Adobe Photoshop. And I'm using Windows 10 Enterprise. So I have my Windows 10 here. I'm using Windows 10, sorry. Then here is my Adobe Photoshop. The version is 2021. We have 2022 there, but I prefer the 2021. We have lower versions that can even be compatible with your PC. So let me show you a way of how to download the Adobe Photoshop. So first, you go to your browser, you open your browser, then you go to you type in this address, getintopc.com. Getintopc.com. Then you click on the link. Then you see it open like this. So this is the web page of Get Into PC. You click on search, then you type in Adobe. You see I've already typed in, so Adobe Photoshop. You type in Adobe Photoshop, you click enter, or you click the search button here, search website. So you see we have Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic 2022. We have Adobe Photoshop 2022. We want this, the one without Lightroom Classic. That's what we want. So this is Adobe Photoshop 2020. I'll open the link in a new tab because I want to explain something more than you get it. Then we have 2021 to here. Let me go to the next page. We have we have 2020 CC 2020. Let me go to the next page. Then we have 2014 here. So I will be putting the links under the description below. So you just look at I'll give you the specs of the machine, then you look at the type that you want to download. We have CS4 extended here. So let's move on. The first one is 2022. So you see, Adobe Photoshop 2022 is the name of an imposing graphic editing application for printing, 3D modeling, drawing, and painting, which allows you to create and enhance your photographs, website, and mobile app designs. So the Adobe Photoshop 2022 technical setup details. So the software full name is Adobe Photoshop, as you already know. The startup file name in the file that you will download is here. The size is 3.1 gig. So in Ghana here, I said I prefer you download it in the night. So maybe you can do a midnight bundle, then you download it. So system requirement for Adobe Photoshop 2022 is the operating system should be Windows XP, Vista, but right now the Windows XP and Vista doesn't work again. Plus the 7, it doesn't work again. Unless you have some drivers installed on it. But that's not what we are looking at. So you should start from 8 to 10. So your RAM, at least your RAM in your machine should be 2 gig or more. Mostly they are 4. So if you have 4, you are good to go. Your hard disk should be more than 3.5 gig, because it's going to take more speed the more you save files. And your processor should be Intel dual core. You should start from Intel dual core, or you can have AMD processor or a higher processor more than the dual core. So that's how the Photoshop 2022 goes. So if you want to download the Photoshop 2022, you click the link here, download 64-bit times 64 version 23 blah blah blah. You click on it, download. So you see, open another one. Your requested resource will be granted from Linux server. Then it will start downloading. Okay, so I have it already. This is the 2021 to the size is 2.3 gig. Then the operating system is 8.177. It's not compatible with the 7 again, sorry. Then so it's compatible with the 8.1 and 10. The memory should be 1 gig, more than 1 gig. Then hard disk should be more than 3 at least. Then the dual core processor, the same thing. You click on, you see that there's a password here. The password is what? 123. Immediately after you finish downloading the file, then you are asked to, you have to extract it. There's going to be another video on how to install the Adobe Photoshop. So this is the password 123. So that's it. The next one is 2020. The size is 1.8 gig. 1.8 gig. The more the versions, let's say, the more the version goes up, the more the features comes in. There's a whole lot of features in the 2022. There's a whole lot of features in 2021 that does not exist in the 2020. So it's good, but it's good you download what fits your machine, because you have to, when you are doing a work or a project in the Adobe Photoshop, you have to, be comfortable with what you are doing. Your machine should not be lagging. Do you get that? Then the 2022, we have the memory is 4 gig of RAM, hard disk 3 gig. Your processor speed should be 2 gigahertz and above. Your graphics card should be 1024 by 768 display, or 1280 by 800 recommended, with OpenGL 2.0 16-bit color. But if you don't have, your graphics card size should be at least 512 megabytes before the updated version 2022 should fit. So that's it. That one too, the password is 123. You download and it will come. Then we have the 2014. The 2014 comes with its plugins like the Topaz plugins, the Investor, then Flaming plugin. So that's when you install, then it will install the plugins to it directly. You see the way the Flaming is being used. This is the Flaming plugin. So that's the Flaming plugin. Then the Investor, here's the Investor too. So have you seen it? Yeah, so that's it. And that one too, its size is 586 megabytes. You see the 2014 is very light, and the 2014 too, it fits every computer right now. New computer that are coming, because it's compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8 and 8.1. Then 1 gigabyte is also compatible with the 10. So your processor, Pentium 4 or AMD Athlon 64 processor with a 2 gigahertz speed or faster than that. Then the display should be 1024 by 768. Then your memory 1 gig, hard disk 1 gig, as I already said. Then you download the software. So guys, that's it on how to download the Adobe Photoshop. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also bring in your questions under the comment section. Let's get interactive, and bye bye.